Welcome to Baking with Wild Blueberries. Each week, we will bring you a delicious wild blueberry dish, from muffins and cookies to pie and pancakes. Our recipes can be made with either fresh or frozen blueberries. And, as always, it is recommended that you use wild blueberries in all your blueberry recipes. They contain more antioxidants than high-bush blueberries and have a much more vibrant taste. This recipe is brought to you by the growers who make up the Prince Edward Island Wild Blueberry Growers Association.
PEI Wild Blueberries. Go wild. Stay healthy.
Today we will be making our 5-star wild blueberry muffins, so let's dive right in. I will be going through the ingredients pretty quickly, but I have included a link to this recipe in the show notes. So here we go. Take 1 1/4 cup of margarine along with a 1/2 cup of sugar. You will also need 1 egg, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. You will also need 1 3/4 of a cup plus 3/4 of a tablespoon of flour, divided 2 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and last, but not least, 1 cup of wild blueberries. Now that we have the ingredients that we need, here are the baking directions. In a small bowl, stir together the 1 3/4 cups of flour along with the baking powder and salt. In another bowl, you will need to cream the margarine and the sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, and then add the milk, egg, and vanilla. Now add the milk mixture to the flour mixture and stir until the dry ingredients are moistened. Don't worry if the batter is lumpy, as that is how it's supposed to look. You will now need to toss the blueberries with the 3/4 tablespoon of flour and then fold them into the batter. Spoon the batter into 12 greased or non-stick muffin cups and bake in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, or, if you prefer metric, 218 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes, or until the muffins are evenly golden brown. In case you are wondering, you may use fresh or frozen wild blueberries in this recipe. The reason why you toss the blueberries with flour is that this coating changes the buoyancy and the texture of the berries to help prevent them from sinking into the batter.
We hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to join us for our next episode. Remember, you can also find hundreds of blueberry recipes on our website. Visit us at peiblue.ca or follow us at facebook.com/PEI Blueberries.